Hello and welcome to the Creative Pens. My name is Isha Sangal, and in this video I will tell you how to convert line into polyline by using pedit command, and how to convert line into polyline and region by using a Bpoly command. Now I'm going to type pedit with my keyboard, pedit. Click enter and choose one of the line. Now task, if I want to turn it into one, this means if I want to turn polyline, so I click enter. Now press join from this list. Finally, I selected all my lines. Click enter. Again enter. So you can see line. Here we have a polyline. Now I want to explain some cases which cannot be converted to a polyline through pedit command. For example, this image or this object you see in this workspace, this is not possible to be one polyline. Now I want to explain some cases which cannot be converted to a polyline. So you can see object. So I'm going to type pedit select one line, press enter, select join in this list, select all object and enter. Again enter. So you can see in this polyline all the points have maximum of 2 lines of merging. But if you want to this kind of things into one object, so you can use two options. The one is you can create a block, or other is you can make a group. So I can explain these two in next video. In this video I will explain how to use command Bpoly for combining lines. So you can apply this command on these type of images. In this video, I will explain how to use this. You can apply this command on this image. So now I'm going to type Bpoly in command line. Click enter. Choose one of the option, that is region only. You can click OK. Pick internal point. Click enter. I have to convert this in region. Okay, so if you want to convert this image into polyline, so I have to do the same, but instead of selecting region, I can select polyline. So firstly, I have to type Bpoly. So I have to do the same, but instead of selecting region, I can select polyline. Pick internal point, press enter. So I have to convert this to polyline. So if I have an area which have no boundary, it's not going to work if I choose Bpoly, enter, pick result, OK, pick internal point. So a close boundary cannot be determined. Before finish this video, I want to share one difference between polyline and region. If I want to use command offset, this could not work in region. As you can see in this rectangle, nothing happens. By the way, if you go second rectangle, that is polyline, I can do offset. So, before you create polyline and region, you should think first what we are going to do is that. So, this all from my side. Thanks for watching. See you next time.